In this video, I'll show you how to set a custom notification sound on your Samsung device running One UI 8.5. Now, Samsung gives you a list of default notification sounds, but if you want to use your own audio file or a downloaded ringtone, there's a simple workaround. Let's get started. First, go to Settings. Tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then tap Notification Sound. Here, you'll notice that there's no direct option to add a custom notification sound. So what we need to do is manually add our audio file to the correct folder. Now, download the audio file or ringtone you want to use. Once it's downloaded, open the My Files app. Tap on Audio at the top to find your downloaded file. Now press and hold on the audio file. Then tap Copy, or Move if you prefer, from the bottom menu. Next, go to Internal Storage. Find and open the Notifications folder. Copy or move the file here. Once that's done, go back to Settings. Again, tap Sounds and Vibration, then Notification Sound. New custom section added to your Samsung notification sound settings. Now you should see your copy or move audio file in the list. Select it, and that's it. Your custom notification sound is now set. Just make sure your file is placed inside the Notifications folder, otherwise it won't show up. And that's how you set a custom notification tone on Samsung One UI 8.5 or any recent Samsung device. Thanks for watching!